Look at all these fireworks.
You see, the smart graffiti artists, what they do is they place bees right next to their work so no one will tag over it.
Oh shit. Oh, there's the can.
Oh shit!
What?
Wasn't even that big of a deal. Sick of these fucking paper towels thinking they run the place around here.
Paper towel isn't so tough now. Shit.
Oh my god!
Blowing up the good old almonds.
Fucking Lee, you piece of shit.
Now, how fucking awesome was that?
Is it even cool?
No.
Almonds everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. Yeah, they're all over the fucking place. I'll tell you. This one's for all the fans. Oh, fuck. I don't know what I did. How do I mess up a throw like that? How would I light it in there? Be careful, Jay.
How deep are you?
Shit, that one's... I don't want to even go near that one. Wait. That one, like this one, the wick didn't go off. I don't know what happened. I've been tying together.
Run, Jay!
Dude, piss off those bees.
You won't do it.
Dude, I'm gonna get stung.
They're not gonna come. Why would they come over here? They're not smart. They're just
We're bee terminators.
I'll be back. Stick around.